Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode.
Good evening, everybody. Kyle Granger in the WVLT Weather Center. Tonight, we're tracking several showers that have come through the area. Some of these have dropped tremendous amounts of rainfall, really since we joined you at the 6:30 hour this evening. And for that reason, we have multiple flood advisories that have been posted, also some flash flood warnings. And these warnings for Knox and Blount counties are serious. That means we have some creeks and streams that really, in a short period of time, will start to rise out of their banks here. We have several pictures, also some video that has been coming in this evening from many of you that are out and about in these communities. We had the warnings earlier in Sevier County and parts of Dollywood seeing some flooding issues, and also into Gatlinburg, Highway 321, the Glades area seeing that as well. So many of these reports, this flooding, once it starts to come through, can create multiple problems through, if you have to drive through this, it's not something that you want to do. Obviously, this right here moving very fast through Dollywood. We've seen this happen before when we get a storm that comes through dumping a lot of rainfall in a short period of time in that area in particular. Some of the areas in your neighborhood that potentially do cause some problems. Want to draw your attention to the flash flood warning that is now posted until 10:15 for parts of Knox County, also Blount County as well. This extends from Halls down to Fountain City, right into the heart of the city of Knoxville, West Knox County as well, out towards Turkey Creek, and then extending back on into parts of Blount County, Maryville, Alcoa Highway, Pellissippi Parkway. In these areas, we're looking for runoff to become very fast-paced here in some areas, and could potentially be causing some flash flood problems in these areas. Of course, we also have advisories that are posted in any other area where we could see some ponding or extensive settling of the rain on the roadways. Of course, we've got a lot of moisture that we've been working with through here this evening. This again has been passing through since we joined you at about 6:30 this evening, and the rain does continue but has lightened up somewhat for parts of Knox County. But the heavier stuff right now moving through Oak Ridge, Clinton, back over towards Wartburg. We zoom into Blount County. You can see Maryville, you've got another moderate shower that's going to be passing your way, because all of this is really moving off to the north at about 15 miles per hour. In Sevier County tonight, the rain has lightened up, but no doubt you're continuing to see problems that do persist. And if we add even a tenth of an inch of rain, it could add some problems on into the rain buckets for the evening hours. So this flood aerial advisory really means that you could see some flooding in localized areas throughout the evening hours. And of course, this extends for parts of Blount County on into Loudoun, Roane, Anderson, Union, and Knox counties as well. The only storm damage we got tonight was out in Loudoun County, where several trees reported down in Lenoir City, but multiple reports of flooding. Check out what we have gotten so far here today. Over 1 inch of rain for Knoxville. That's reported out at the airport near Maryville, close to an inch for Morristown, and then Oak Ridge checking in just under half of an inch. So a lot of rainfall in a short period of time this evening. That led to some issues just like this. And of course, more rain, periods of rain will come through tonight, but we'll calm things back by the time you get up for your Monday. But we're going to do a repeat on Monday, so I want you to go to the WVLT weather app and download this now so you get the alerts at the palm of your hand. Of course, we track this all evening long and tonight on WVLT News.
It premieres June 27th.